Good evening, sir. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maria from English Literature Department in STB APIA. My talk will take about 4 until 5 minutes, and I'll be happy to explanation about that at the end of the explanation. Now, I'm going to show you about coffee consumption. The first is, what is coffee? Coffee is a brew of coffee that has been roasted and grown into a powder. Coffee is a commodity in the world that is cultivated in more than 50 countries. Two species of coffee trees that are commonly known are Robusta coffee and Arabica coffee. The market value of the coffee shop business in Indonesia is estimated at IDR for 4.8 trillion annually. This figure is obtained from the current count of recorded coffee shop outlets and the assumption of the average sales per outlet of 200 cups per day, and average coffee price of IDR 22 per cup. The larger market value and the proliferation of coffee shops in Indonesia cannot be spared from the growing domestic coffee consumption. The annual data on Indonesia coffee consumption in 2019 realized by the Global Agricultural Information Network show the projection of domestic coffee consumption in 2016 to 2070 towards 294 tons, up 13.9% compared to 2017 to 2018, which was 258 tons. Fulfillment of coffee consumption in Indonesia is still balanced by coffee import from various countries such as Brazil, Vietnam, and the United States. As we can see, there are 10 countries with the largest coffee consumption in the world. As we can see, the most coffee consumption is occupied by European countries, which is around 42.6 million, where European countries occupy the top position, and the second position is occupied by American country, followed by Brazil, Japan, and Russia. Meanwhile, Indonesia is in sixth place, which is around 4.6 million, where Indonesia has the same position as Russia. However, coffee consumption and coffee production are slightly inversely proportional. As we know, Indonesia is one of the world's largest coffee producer, which ranks fourth. In this case, it can be seen that Indonesia produces more than consumers. The next data after Indonesia are Canada, Ethiopia, Philippines, and Vietnam. In the top 10 countries, Vietnam is the last consumption coffee. Compared to Vietnam, where the production level is so high but it's directly proportional to the level of consumption. Even though the level of Vietnam, especially coffee, is very low, with the level of specialty coffee which is very different from Indonesia. It is time for us to imitate Vietnam, which has a very high level of consumption, whereas our level of coffee production when compared to Vietnam, we are lagging behind. But our level of consumption is far above Vietnam. It is possible that what we consume is not coffee from our country, but from other countries. I think that's all my explanation about coffee consumption in business. Thank you, sir.